Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I tried to talk to you earlier, but it was so windy outside. I'm not even sure you could hear me. So I did a quick walk around the building. And then I'm going to take the side off of this building to try to make a greenhouse. And I am not a carpenter. I'm not an expert. As a matter of fact, I don't know what I'm doing. I first tried to just use a crowbar. And I was like, well, that's not gonna work. Or it's not even a crowbar. It's a, I don't know, a dilly bar? No, just kidding. It's a Wonder Bar. And while I was home at lunch, my parents said something about a sledgehammer, and I thought maybe that was a clue that that's what I was gonna have to use. So I came inside, and I probably got some footage of me hammering through. But I'm just using an old sledgehammer, and I'm pounding off the siding. I'm gonna try to get this wall off so that I can just put greenhouse plastic on it. So that's all I'm doing. I have no idea. It's a really windy day. Hopefully me taking this wall off doesn't blow the entire rest of the shed down before I get my greenhouse plastic on. And we'll just have to see. I know this side of the roof looked really bad too. And you can see it in here kind of like why it's so bad, but we'll just see how it goes. Like there's so many nails. They did not come out. So I'm gonna have to go try to pull all these and figure out how to get these out of the window. So all of these holes I got out. And then look at that. There's just like a junk nail in the top just popped off and you can't get it out. And it didn't happen a lot, but it happened enough that it's annoying. And I did notice there's like a couple beams that they're kind of rotten. So like, I'll go over there and show you. They're just not quite, like here's one I'll show you. It's just kind of rotten and not going to the bottom probably like it should. So I don't know if I need somebody to look at that or should replace like some of those because maybe they're like structural things. Like I said, I'm not a carpenter. This does look like better than I thought if I took off the siding because it has like all these boards along there and then all like it's structured really well. So that's awesome. I think it'll keep the building square. I don't think that siding was holding it together or anything. I'll probably try to get these windows out. There was only one that actually had glass in it. The rest of them are either plexiglass or they have, I guess this one might, I know that's plexiglass too. So I don't know how they come off, but I'll try to figure that out. And I need to figure out how to get those nails out that are just sharp points at this point. That actually went a lot faster than I thought it was gonna go. I thought that would take me days, but I mean, it's only been 2 hours and we got that wall out, so that's nice. But the other stuff that I'm seeing needs to be done. Now that is gonna be the long part, and then this is the part I thought when I got that done it would go fast, but it's gonna be the opposite. Like I said, I've never done construction before. Okay, I got 2 of the windows out, but I do need to go get a drill and then the star shape and then go from there. One step at a time. Yay! I got it all off. So, except for those nails that the heads broke off. I'm gonna flip you around real quick. So I do think I'm gonna be able to put the wiggle wire line along this board. This board does look like there's places that might have termites. I don't know if I should have it sprayed first or not, but I think I could do the wiggle wire along that, and then these are flush with it, so I think I can do the wiggle wire along those as well, which means that's a good thing. But up here there isn't like a flush board. It sticks out a little bit. But I do think I'm gonna need a board up there, which means I'm probably gonna have to take my truck to the dump in the morning so that I can go to the lumber store and get enough wood to have a board up there. And I don't know if I need to cut it in between each, so I might need advice on that too. So, I don't know. I guess I'll work on those nails that don't have heads. Okay. So I used this tool and it took out 2 of them, but it was kind of difficult. So we'll see if I can get them out. I'll let you know. Okay, I think phase 1 is done. I got all of the siding removed. I got all the nails out. I ran my hand down it, and if it snagged at all, I just like hammered in any little nails that were there. Phase 1 complete. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know I'm not a carpenter. I'm sure there's a million people out there being like, oh my god, what is she doing? But I guess I'm just getting things done, or trying to. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day.